Welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to use the SolidWorks Lofted Boss Base feature. So I started with two sketches for my profiles. I have a rectangle and a circle, and I want to create a solid body that joins these two profiles. So that's where we're going to use the Lofted Boss Base feature. So I'm going to come up to Features, select Lofted Boss Base, and then it'll ask me to select my profiles, which I have a rectangle and a circle. And once I click both of those, it'll show a preview of what the feature is going to do. So I can either say OK, and I'll have a simple lofted boss base, or I can do something. I can come over on the left and hit this arrow, and it'll create more of a twist. Or I can hit it again and go back to the straight version. Go on the left and hit OK. And now you see the completed feature. So that is how you use the SolidWorks Lofted Boss Base.